Hi, this is Archie and welcome to your ProBox Customer Portal Guide. In this section, I'll show you how to create your account and get logged in. On your browser, please type probox.io to get to our homepage. Click on the login button on the upper right corner of the screen. This will lead you to our customer portal sign-in page. To create an account, just click on sign up and fill in your details. First name, your last name, your email address, your company name, and your password. Remember that your password must be at least 8 characters long, contain one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, and one number. Then click on the box that says I agree to the terms and conditions, and then click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, it will lead you to your ProBox customer portal dashboard. You now have your ProBox account set up and you're logged into your dashboard. In the next section, I'll give you a tour of the portal layout and show you what each section does. Thanks for watching.